Introducing the LICQual Level 3 Award in Rigor. In this course, you'll gain the essential skills and knowledge needed to work safely and effectively in rigging operations. This award is designed for individuals looking to advance their careers in the rigging industry, whether you are a newcomer or an experienced worker seeking formal recognition of your skills. Achieving this qualification will not only enhance your professional skills but also increase your employability in the growing field of rigging. Mandatory units of this qualification are: Introduction to rigging, rigging equipment and selection, rigging techniques, rigging safety and regulations, practical rigging exercises. This course is ideal for construction and engineering sectors, manufacturing and logistics industries, offshore and marine operations, event management and entertainment industries. What is the duration of this course? The LICQual Level 3 Award in Rigor typically has a duration of about 3 to 5 days, depending on the training provider and the specific structure of the course. All LICQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest LICQual approved center. Visit our website at www.liqual.co.uk.